Welcome again, students. We are learning about Java basics. In earlier lecture, we learned about escape code. Now we will learn about string literals. In Java, all the others or all other data types represent object rather than primitive data. A string is a sequence of character. Uh, For example, to represent the string value, many congratulations, the following the string literal has to be typed many congratulations. So similarly, in string, this string brought to you by Java /u2122, the Unicode sequence /u2122 produce a trademark symbol PM. Remember students, uh, Java /u2122. The Unicode sequence /u2122 produce a trademark symbol TM. Comments in a program are for human readers only. They are entirely ignored by the computer, and comments are important to make the program easy to understand for everyone. So Java supports following types of comments: single line comments, multi-line comments, and documentation comments. So first of all, single line comments. So it begins with double slash. Single line comments begin with double slash and extend till the end of line. So the computer ignores this double slash and everything that follows it on the same line. Multi-line comments, it begin with slash star and end with star slash. This type of comments is usually used to have more than one line as comments. Any text between two delimiters, slash star and star slash, is considered as a comment. Comments cannot be nested, that is, we cannot have a comment inside a comment. Documentation comments. This type of comments begin with slash double star and end with star slash. They are used for creating API documentation from the code. These are special comments that are used for the Java doc system. Expression. Expression are essentially a part of programming. The basic building blocks of expression are literals such as 674, 3.40, true and x, variable and function call. Recall that a function is a subroutine that routine a value. Simple expression can be literal, a variable, a function call. More complex expression can be built up using operator to combine simple expression. Operators include arithmetic operators, plus, minus, multiply, slash, and modulus. Comparison operator, that is less than, greater than, is equal to. Logical operators, and or not. When several operators appears in an expression, there is a question of precedence which determines how the operators are grouped for evolution. For example, in the expression a plus b multiply c, b multiply c is computed first and then the result is added to a. When several operators appear in an expression, there is a question of precedence which determines how the operators are grouped for evolution. For example, in the expression a plus b multiply c, b multiply c is computed first and then the result is added to a. And multiplication has a higher precedence than additions if the default precedence is not what is required. Then parentheses are used to explicitly specify the grouping. For example, an expression a plus b into c, it's add a and b first, then multiplies the result by c. Operators. Operators are special symbol used to build expression. Java supports many types of different operators. Below given are some of them. First, arithmetic operator. comparison operator, a logical operator, conditional operator, and assignment operator. So first of all, arithmetic operators. In Java, basic arithmetic operator have addition, plus, subtraction, minus, multiplication, asterisk sign, for division, slash, and for modulus, percentage sign. So all these operators are binary. They take two operands. Operators plus and minus can be used as unary. Also, all operators can be applied on any type of numeric data, byte, short, integer. Remember, byte, short, integer, long, float, or double. They can also be used with value of type character, which are treated in this context. With character type of data, its Unicode code number is considered as its value when it is used with an arithmetic operator. You can see here, for arithmetic operator, for addition you can use plus, for subtraction you can use minus, for multiplication you can use asterisk sign, for division you can use slash, and for modulus you can use percentage sign. Now comparison operator. Comparison operator are also known as relational operators. Remember students, comparison operators are also known as relational operator. The comparison operators in Java are is equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. You can see the meaning of this operator. A is equal to B. It means is equal A equal to B. Then you can see A exclamation sign. Exclamation sign indicate not. So is A not equal to B? A less than B. A less than B. A is greater than B. A less than or equal to B, or A greater than or equal to B. Now logical operator. Logical operators are also Boolean operators, as they operate on Boolean operands. In Java, logical operator and or XOR and not are performed using operators, and then you can use the double piping sign, caret sign, and exclamation sign respectively. So you can use and for and or for piping sign, X for caret sign, and not for exclamation sign. Boolean operator and is used to combine values for logical and operator operation. The result of expression A and B is true only if both the operands A and B are true. For example, x is equal to 0 and then y is equal to 0 is true if and only if both x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Conditional operator. The conditional operator in Java is ternary operator. Using three operands, it uses two symbols, question mark and colon. So in the expression to delimit three operands, it takes the following form. Boolean expression you can see here, which means condition. If it is true, then it will execute expression 1, and the condition false, then it will execute expression number 2. For example, consider statement next and modulus 2 is equal to 0. Then you can see here and slash 2 colon 3 into n plus 1. Suppose value of n is 8. The value of first operand and modulus is equal to 0 is true. So value of right hand side expression is the value of expression n slash 2 is equal to 4. If n is odd, first expression result in false and it will assign the value 3 into n plus 1 to next. Not that the parentheses in this example are not required, but they do not make the expression easier to read. Here you can see the examples of conditional operator. Assignment operator. In Java, an expression containing assignment is equal to operator is generally preferred as assignment operator. So assignment statement, once a variable has been declared, a value can be assigned to that variable by using the assignment operator is equal to. In Java, one of the ways to get data into a variable is with an assignment statement. An assignment statement takes the form variable is equal to expression. So where expression represent anything that refers to or computes a data value. When an assignment statement is executed, it first evaluates the expression on right side of is equal to sign and then put the resulting data value into the variable on left side of is equal to sign. For example, consider the simple assignment statement rate is equal to 10.02f. It means 10.02f will provided to rate variable. Control structure. In general, the statement are executed sequentially or one by one. Sometimes programs logic needs to change the flow of this sequence. This statement that enables to control the flow of execution are considered as control structure. There are two types of control structure, loops and branches. Remember students, there are two types of control structure, loops and branches. Loops are used to repeat a sequence of statements over and over until some condition occurs. Branches are used to choose among two or more possible courses of action, so also called selective structure. Block. A block statement is group of statement enclosed between a pair of brackets. The format of block is, you can see here, it is a format of blocks. Block can be used for various purposes as follow: to group a sequence of statement into unit that is to be treated as a single statement, usually in control structure; to group logically related statement; to create variable with local scope for statement within a block. See for example for block, you can see here block always enclosed within curly bracket. If statement. If the if statement when used in a program enables to take one of two alternative courses of action depending on whether the values of a given boolean value expression is true or false. It is an example of a branching or decision or selective control structure. The form if statement is, you can see, if you can see here it is a condition. If condition get true, then statement 1 will execute, but if it is false, then it will execute after else. Then you can see after else statement means statement number 2 will execute if condition is false. Repetitive control structure. Java support three types of looping construct: for, while and do while. You can see here for loop syntax. You can see here while loop syntax, and it is a do while loop syntax. Thank you.